friends, for morning today for kids breakfast I am making them some quesadillas. I am making homemade tortillas just like rotis. We'll use a stand mixer for that, and while that keeps going there, let us make the filling. Got some fresh broccoli yesterday, so I'm going to take some florets from there. And whenever I make broccoli recipes for them, I always remember the song, "Do you like broccoli?" That song. Do you have little kids who listen to that rhyme at home? Let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, I'm just roasting these broccolis there. And then for the spices, I'll be adding in half a teaspoon each of garlic powder, turmeric powder and cumin powder. Most kids love quesadillas, and this can be a quicker breakfast if you already have like store-bought tortillas, or if you have rotis left over from the previous day's dinner. I think I'm a little crazy here trying to make a good circle and all with the lid, but I like it to be a perfect circle, especially for quesadilla, or if it has any, if I'm filling something inside it. And then we'll slightly cook them on both the sides, and we'll add in some butter on the pan and lay the tortilla. And for the filling, the first layer of pizza cheese, and then you can use cheddar cheese also if you like here, and then the roasted broccoli and some frozen corn, and then another layer of cheese. Fold the other half over it and let it look nice and brownish on both the sides, and we'll cut it into halves. And then for some fruits today, we'll add in some blueberries. Kids are having their breakfast today around 9 o'clock as it was a holiday for all.
You and me. Hi, camera.
They're also taking some dry nuts and fruits along with the breakfast. I think one thing that the kids are missing a lot during this time that we are not going to any restaurants is they're missing their mango lassi. So I am getting ready to make that. We have 1 cup of curd here, some homemade curd, and half a cup of milk. I have these frozen mango chunks. We are also missing the ripe mango this time. We haven't gotten any from the Indian store. So that's about 1 cup of mango. Let's put that all inside. And some extra sweetness, honey. I don't know how sweet these mango chunks are. We'll add about 1 tablespoon honey. Then a little pinch of cardamom powder. I think we need to add in a little bit of turmeric powder. Little pinch. Looks yum. We'll add in some sliced almonds on top of it and a mango chunk for both, and it's ready to serve. I also tasted a little bit of this. It was not too sweet, but I think I like it this way. Felt a little more natural taste without being too over sweet. If you use the sweetened mango pulp that you get at the store, then you will get sweeter mango lassi. For lunch, we are making some fried rice for kids with some extra protein in it. I keep switching up things for the fried rice, and instead of egg today, I'm trying to fry some moong chunks here in a little bit of oil. My kids enjoy this crunch of the moong chunks along with their rice. So once this turns a little brown, we'll add in some dry cilantro powder too for some extra flavor, and we'll keep it aside. I've also kept the rice for cooking in the rice cooker meanwhile. And cooking fried rice is the simplest way for kids to eat their daily dose of veggies also, and it's very easy to prepare. So I added in some butter in the pan and some minced garlic into it. For veggies, I'm using the frozen mix of beans, green peas, carrots and corn. I had kept some frozen veggie packs in hand when this situation came up, since we are not going to the grocery stores often, and it's a good backup to have for the fresh produce. We'll add half a cup of veggies here and stir fry it. Then we'll add in here half a cup of cooked rice and then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil for a good fried rice flavor. Once mixed up well and fully done, we'll top it off with this crunchy moong chunks that we prepared, and then it's done. Okay, along with the fried rice, I'm going to be giving them some mozzarella sticks. I'm going to be baking them in the oven, so I'll probably take a few of them, and then if it's left over, they can have it during snack time. So just going to bake it in the oven at 450 degree Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Anjali is waiting patiently for her lunch, as you can see here. And so along with some cut up grape tomatoes, they are in different colors today, and kids do enjoy it. Lunch is ready for them at around 1:30. Now around 4 o'clock they are having their evening milk and snack time. So I'm mixing in half a teaspoon of this probiotic powder into their evening milk, and they like the milk with their boost. Adi and Anjali love it when they have this chocolate boost powder that's floating on the surface of milk. I remember when I was a kid I used to enjoy eating it as such. Do let me know how you used to enjoy it during your childhood days. And okay, now for the snack, I'm making them some fresh French toast, some banana French toast. That's really yummy and sweet, and it's a good way to sneak in some fruits and egg together in a recipe. Just mash the bananas really well and the egg, and then the vanilla essence, a little bit of that for nice flavor, and some cinnamon powder. If you're adding some extra cinnamon powder on the top, that changes amazingly how this French toast turns out. So try that. If you are adding a little bit of cinnamon powder, try adding a little more so that the toast becomes nice and flavorful. Take 1 slice of bread, dip into the mixture and frying in some butter in the skillet. Usually they eat their regular French toast with some maple syrup. Since the banana French toast, it's naturally sweet, I will just sprinkle a dash of powdered sugar so that it looks appetizing, right? Okay, Adi, Anjali, food, snack time.
Yay! Ooh! Wow! Looks yummy!
Thank you.
Things in the...
It's powdered sugar.
Whoa! Is it yummy, 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 yummy. Wait, let me try it.
For dinner today, we decided to switch things up a little bit, and we decided to grill outside in the deck. It was a quick decision, and I'm trying out a new recipe for the kids' chicken, and it turned out really good. So for the recipe for the marinade, it is about 1/4 cup of oil, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, and some dry cilantro. Mix it up really well, and then adding in a teaspoon of lemon juice, and let's cut up some small pieces of lemon skin as well and add it to the marinade, and then keep the chicken inside it for around 20 to 30 minutes. That's enough. And then we are having some corn, pineapple, sweet potatoes and chicken grilled for today. We really enjoyed the dinner and the kids enjoyed it as well. So I hope you enjoyed these kids recipes, and I hope you try out some of them that you would enjoy. Do let me know what was your favorite recipe in this video. And yes, stay tuned until the end of this video to enjoy some kids talk during their snack time.
Get close. Close your eyes. Drink water, drink water. Drink water. French toast. Powdered sugar. Then go and see. What did I eat? French toast. Yeah. What did I drink? You drink a milk. That's what you drink. No. What did I drink? Milk. That's what you need to drink. Go around. What did I eat? Milk. You just see the, like, you just doing peeking like that. No, I want to peek like this. No, but I said you cannot. I'm peeing on both like the other here, mommy. Okay.